told you your mood swings, fatigue, or weight gain might not just be random. There could be warning signs of hormonal imbalance that's quietly affecting your health. Hormones control everything: your metabolism, energy levels, skin, digestion, and even your emotions. If they're out of balance, your body will send signals, and ignoring them could lead to serious health problems. In today's video, I will reveal 7 key signs of hormonal imbalance in women and what you can do to restore balance naturally. If you've been feeling off but can't figure out why, this might be the answer you've been searching for. Stick around because some of these signs might surprise you. Number 1. Unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Have you been dieting and exercising but still struggling to lose weight? Or maybe you've noticed sudden weight gain without a clear reason? This is a major red flag. Hormones like insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones control your metabolism. If they're not working properly, your body stores fat instead of burning it. Estrogen dominance in particular can lead to excess fat around your hips and thighs, while cortisol can trigger belly fat. Number 2. Chronic fatigue and low energy. Feeling drained even after a full night's sleep? It's not just a lack of rest, it could be your hormones. Low thyroid hormones or imbalanced cortisol levels can cause extreme fatigue. If your adrenals are overworked due to stress, your body won't have enough energy to function properly. Number 3. Irregular or painful periods. Your menstrual cycle is a direct reflection of your hormonal health. If your periods are too heavy, too light, irregular, or even missing, it's a sign that hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone are out of the sync. Painful cramps, severe PMS, or mood swings before your period could indicate estrogen dominant or low progesterone. PCOS, which affects millions of women, is also linked to hormonal imbalances. Number 4. Constant mood swings, anxiety, or depression. If you feel anxious, depressed, or irritated for no clear reason, your hormones might be responsible. Estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol have a direct impact on your brain chemistry. Low progesterone can cause anxiety, while high cortisol, the stress hormone, can lead to panic attacks. Estrogen fluctuations are also linked to mood swings and emotional instability. Number 5. Persistent acne and skin issues. Breakouts aren't just for teenagers. Hormonal acne, especially around the jawline and chin, is a sign of androgen-dominant excess male hormones like testosterone. Low estrogen and progesterone can also lead to dry skin, dull complexion, or even premature aging. If you've tried every skincare product but nothing seems to work, your hormones could be the root cause. Number 6. Hair thinning or excess hair growth. Hormonal imbalances can cause both hair loss and unwanted hair growth in women. High testosterone can lead to excessive facial or body hair, often seen in PCOS. Low estrogen and thyroid hormones can cause thinning hair, making it dull and brittle. If your hair is falling out more than usual or you're noticing new hair growth in unexpected places, your hormones may be to blame. Number 7. Digestive issues like bloating and constipation. Did you know that your gut health and hormones are deeply connected? Estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol affect your digestion. An imbalance can cause bloating, constipation, diarrhea, or even food intolerances. If you feel bloated no matter what you eat, experience irregular bowel movements, or notice increased food sensitivities, your hormonal balance might be off. How to fix hormonal imbalances naturally. If you're experiencing one or more of these symptoms, don't panic. Hormonal balance can be restored naturally. Here's what you can do. First, eat a hormone-friendly diet. Focus on whole foods, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies. Avoid processed sugars, dairy, and refined carbs. Second, manage stress. High cortisol throws off every other hormone. Practice meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Third, get quality sleep. Poor sleep disrupts melatonin, cortisol, and thyroid function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of rest each night. Fourth, exercise wisely. Too much intense exercise can increase cortisol. Balance strength training with yoga or walking. Fifth, consider natural supplements, herbs like ashwagandha, maca roots, and evening primrose oil, which support hormone health. Sixth, Check your vitamin levels. Low vitamin D, magnesium, and B vitamins can worsen hormonal imbalances. Your hormones affect everything, from your mood and weight to your digestion and skin. If you've been struggling with any of these signs, don't ignore them. The sooner you take action, the easier it is to bring your body back into balance. Which of these signs have you experienced? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for weekly health tips to help you feel your best every day.